Hey guys, this is Hayden Huber here with the first video blog that I have put together on the tech review for the Ticwatch E, created by Mobavi. Actually, I completely botched that. It's Mobvoi, M-O-B-V-O-I. Feel free to correct me or look it up yourself. But yeah, here is the box that the watch came in. It comes with a charger and the device itself. Here it is. Just bear with me for 1 second. There we are. This is the device. That is the Ticwatch E. They also have the Ticwatch S, which is the Ticwatch Sport. So if you fast forward to the end of this video, you will see basically a recap of everything that I talked about in my video. So first things first is I believe this is the best Android 2.0 watch that you can get on the market. It also comes with Google Assistant, a microphone and speaker. There's also very good customer service that Mobi provides. You can also use this watch as a standalone device, which is awesome. The downsides that I have noticed is it is missing NFC, so you cannot go and make, your payments with, swiping your watch. It just really depends on the user if that's a big feature that you do or do not want or don't really need to have. As for some other cons, it really doesn't work with Apple phones. They say that they are compatible, which they are, but it is slightly misleading. Basically, you're not going to be able to utilize Google Assistant to its full capacity. You can't really, say, hey, Google, text so-and-so, or read me my messages. Unfortunately, Apple really has that on lockdown. That is something that Apple will have to, work on if they want to allow an Android device to allow messages to come through. So that's really not Android's problem. That would be an Apple problem. As for some other downsides with the product, I would have to say that the battery life is a little short, but I think you could say that about any Apple product or, Android product as well. When I say that, I meant smartwatch. The Ticwatch E lasts about a day and a half to 2 days, which actually isn't terrible. However, I'd like to have the battery last, 6 months at a time. I know it's a little unrealistic at this point in time, but still, the battery life, some people might say, well, that's really good, and it is if you're trying to compare it to the Apple Watch battery life. And actually, I've used it pretty heavily with working out, playing a little bit of music, responding to text messages, and it does last a full day. It does not die that quickly. One thing to call out is when you first get the product, you do have to cycle through the charges for like about 1 to 3 charging periods. The company tells you to do that just so it's fully up and running properly. I don't know all the specifics with that, but I had to do that. That is basically a quick overview of the device. I would recommend buying this if you are in the market for wanting a smartwatch, and especially if you do have an Android device, this works perfectly. So, thank you.